Alright, let's talk about something interesting, Google Pomelli. Now, you might be hearing this name pop up and thinking, wait, is this just another AI tool? Kind of, but also not really, because Pomelli is doing something a bit different. So what exactly is Google Pomelli? So imagine this, you give an AI your website link. And instead of just generating random designs, it actually studies your brand, your colors, your fonts, your tone, even the way you communicate. And then it builds what they call a kind of business DNA. From there, it creates content that already feels like you, not generic. Not template looking, but consistent, like you had a designer working behind the scenes. That's essentially what Google Pomelli is trying to do. Now, let's answer the big question. Is it free? Here's the surprising part. Right now, yes, completely free. But let me be careful here. It's free because it's still in beta, which usually means this is the best time to experiment before pricing shows up later. Where can you use it? Now, small limitation. It's not global yet. At the moment, it's only available in United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. And it is currently only available in English. So if you're outside those regions, you'll probably hit that not available in your region wall. How does it actually work? It's surprisingly simple. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. You paste your website. Step 2. The AI analyzes everything and builds your brand profile. Step 3. You start generating content. That's it. No complicated setup. And here's the interesting part. You can edit everything using normal language. Like, make this more playful. Use brighter colors, and it adjusts instantly. What can it create? This is where it gets a bit wild. It's not just posts, it can generate Instagram content, Facebook ads, YouTube thumbnails, email banners, even full content calendars. And this part is kind of crazy. It can also create animated videos, product photos that look like studio shoots, all while staying consistent with your brand. How is it different from Canva AI? Now you might be thinking, isn't this just like Canva? Not exactly. With Canva AI, you still choose templates, you're guiding the design. With Pomelli, the AI starts from your brand itself. It's more like, you show me your business, I'll handle the visuals. Less manual work, more automation. What is Pomelli Animate? Okay, this is the newest part. In 2026, they added something called Animate, powered by Veo 3.1 from Google DeepMind. And what it does is turn your static content into video. So instead of just an image, you get motion, storytelling, engagement. Then they added another feature, photo shoot. Using something called Nano Banana 2, it turns basic product images into professional studio-level visuals. No photographer needed. Final thought. So, if you zoom out for a second, Pomelli isn't just a design tool. It's trying to become your automated marketing assistant. You bring the idea. It handles the branding, design, and output. Now, is it perfect? Probably not yet. But tools like this are showing where things are going. Less manual creation, more AI that actually understands your identity. If you're a creator or running a small business, this is definitely one to watch. Or at least experiment with while it's still free.